Okay guys, in this tutorial we're gonna handle a combination of if block of code plus input from keyboard. So let's say import java.utilities.scannr and we need to close it with semicolon. And oh yeah, that's cool. So now this will not be hard coded, we're gonna grab it through object. Based on scannr, we're gonna create object. Name will be some obj, and guys, you know that I'm extremely creative with names, so I'm gonna use test obj, some obj, I don't know, who cares. Here for names of object, new scannr, and in here we need to use system in, not out. Out that we are going to use when we flash things on screen, but this time system.in because we are grabbing stuff from keyboard. Okay, is that enough? No, we need to have explanation to end user what's happening. So system.out print line, little bit of weird header, something to delimit stuff vertically, and actually I'm gonna copy paste this to create a little bit of explanations. Okay, enter number to compare to 20. We're gonna actually change also these things through keyboard, but let me handle this simple scenario. Compare. I don't know how to type these days. So anyway, we're gonna work with integers for simplicity reasons. Variable name will be test number, and we're gonna get it through some object when we use next int method. And that's pretty much it. Why test number? Because here from previous tutorial we do have test number, so why to type these things all over again? There is no need for that. Okay, so let me test this. What's happening with the clips? It's a little bit slow. Oh yeah, enter number to compare to 20, 10, and there you go. Test number is smaller than 20. That's cool. Let me run this stuff again. 20 equal numbers, and one more time 50. Basically test number is greater than 20. Okay, so what about this other number, because this is hard coded? Let's also grab it from keyboard. Well, we are going to say down there, let me steal this or this line. I'm gonna put it down there, and information to end user will be to compare to. So this is like a target number that will be in substitution for 20, which is hard coded. Okay, so this is information to end user, and now we are going to say integer. How we are going to call it? Well, some compare to and some object as a source of information, and next integer because really that's integer. That means that down there we're gonna grab this and put it in a place of 20, and down there else we don't need to touch it at all. So also we can put it here, why not? Okay, and this will work. So run, enter number to compare to 20. Oh, actually that's not cool, so we need to change it. Just enter first number, or just number as a starting point. Number, a little bit of space, let me run this stuff again. Number will be 10, compare to 20, and result test number is smaller than compare to. But this is weird. We need to track mentally what we are entering, which is kind of stupid. So I'm gonna change this hard-coded way into real stuff. Real stuff is test number. We're gonna put it here, and concatenation, and part of report will be is smaller than, and we're gonna concatenate that with compare to, which is real value that will be printed. And let's save a little bit of time by copy pasting right here, but we need to change is smaller to is greater. So we're gonna have custom report in the middle and real stuff on the left side, and number we are comparing to on the right side. Hopefully I said that correctly. Right. Run. Number, starting number will be 10 compared to 50, and 10 is smaller than 50. Excellent. Okay, big number 50, we're gonna compare it to 10. 50 is greater than 10. Excellent. And again, starting point, ending point, and now equal numbers as a result. So let me explain one more time what we need to do here. We need to import option to use scanner, to use, well, stuff from keyboard, creation of object based on a scanner. We're gonna grab stuff from external source, which is keyboard input, a little bit of explanation what needs to be typed. First number will be in test number, that will be integer. We're gonna grab it through object with next int dedicated method. Then again, ending point, compare to, we're gonna put those values into compare to variable through object with dedicated method, and then down there we are using test number and compare to in checks, and if this is right in reality, then this will be printed. Otherwise, if this is correct, this will be printed, and in the case that numbers are equal, then this final, let's say, backup will be activated. So there is no need for checks. We're gonna just print equal numbers. So yeah, that's cool, that works. Okay, so in the next tutorial we're gonna talk about switch statements. So basically that's like creation of menu in games, like press 1 to get into audio settings, press 2 to get into video settings, press 3 to get into controls about mouse and keyboard, and I don't know, you know, Battlefield and Counter-Strike stuff. Something like that. Right, I'm gonna shut up. Thank you for watching and support as always. Pass this channel around, help me help other people. Thank you one more time, and see you next one in a couple of minutes. Okay, ciao, see you there.